guys, today I want to talk to you about perimeter. Now perimeter refers to the outside of any 2D shape. Now it's not interested in multiplying anything together, it's not trying to find what's inside the shape, it's purely adding up the dimensions of what is outside the shape. So for example, I might be trying to find the perimeter of a rectangle, in which case I add this side, this side, this side, and this side. I could be talking about a triangle, in which case I add up these three sides. Or I could be talking about another shape, like an octagon, in which case I'd add up the dimensions of the 8 different sides. So in order to go ahead and find the perimeter, to calculate the perimeter, all I do is take the dimensions and add them together. So in this case, for this particular rectangle, the length here is 7, so I add 7 plus, the next length is 5, so 7 plus 5, plus the next length, which is 7, and then the next length, which is 5. So 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 gives me 24. So P, which is short for perimeter, for this particular rectangle is 24. I'm going to write that inside, just so it's easy to see. Now we do the same thing for the triangle over here. It's got 3 sides, so there are 3 numbers that I need to add together. This length here is 4, so I'm going to write 4 plus, the next length down here is 5, so plus 5, then the third length is 3. So 4 plus 5 plus 3 gives me 12, so I write P equals 12. I'm going to pop that inside my triangle. There we go. Alright, and now the last shape that I've drawn down here, it's a little bit different because I have only one measurement for a length of side, and the rest all just have this dash on each of the different sides. Now what that actually means is that each of the sides are equal length. If they all have the exact same mark on them, which they do, they've all got one single dash, then it means that each of these sides is the exact same length as the one that's given. So here it says 2, so that means that every single side on this particular shape is the length of 2. It might be 2 centimeters, might be 2 meters. I haven't actually specified in this case, but it's all going to be 2. So in order to calculate the perimeter, I need to add up 2 for each individual side. So the first side is 2, because it tells us that. The next side is 2, so 2 plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Now if we've done this right, we should have 8 2s, because it's an octagon, it should have 8 sides. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So 8 2s, adding those up is going to give us 16. So the perimeter of this shape is 16. Now perimeter is really simple. All you have to do is add up the dimensions of the outside of the shape.